Hello and welcome, me Andy here, and I've got a little video regarding Rumble Studio. I am a big fan, so don't get me wrong. However, I've only just really sort of got everything how I like it. It's not perfect, but I have had a few problems, and if you have the same problem, then you might find this useful. What happens is the Rumble Studio crashes out with an error message saying that it cannot do the YouTube thumbnail. Now, contrary to what I was told, that when you set a live stream up, it does nothing with any of the various platforms. That's a lie. It does. If you go back into YouTube, you'll find that it's set a live stream. You then have to go in and amend it slightly because it doesn't do monetization, it doesn't do various tags, and it doesn't do dates and things like that. So you have to go back in and amend it. The problem is that it crashes out, and Rumble Studio then will not allow you to do anything at all. You can't create a new stream, and the solution is very, very easy. So I'm going to show you. Okay, what we're going to do then is we're going to show you the error that we get. This is Rumble Studio, and we're going to schedule a stream. You have the option of doing a template. We're not going to do that today, but if you have one, you could use that. We're going to skip that. You have to put it onto a channel that you have, so that's that one there, and it will be Rumble plus YouTube, because that is the platform that gives me a problem. Now we need to add a thumbnail, which is a large, over 2 meg. That one there. Give it a name. You have to name it, and the optional description and the category, and then we're going to pick a time. Let's do it for 11:30. So we've got that. So we're on that. Oh, the other thing it doesn't like, which I found out, is it has to be a minimum number of characters. Otherwise, it won't let you do it. Right, so that's better. Now we have our option here. Oops. And watch the screen at the top when you see what the message is. There you go. Failed to set thumbnail on YouTube. So that is the error, and basically you can't do anything else now. It's not going to let you continue because it will give you an error saying user account cannot create new live streams. So this is the situation that we were in. Of course, if you go back to the main screen, let's go back. Where are we? That one there, and that one there. So go back to the main screen here. Now, normally what would happen is your live stream would appear in this area. If we then go back in and try and do another one, it won't let you do it. And just to save time, it's Rumble, it's that one there, it's YouTube, and basically blah blah blah. Pick a time. Doesn't really matter because it's not going to work. We have everything. Oh, we haven't done the thumbnail. Well, it doesn't really matter because it's not going to let you do it anyway. Make it fair. So next, and you'll get the error saying user cannot create new live streams, and you'll get that until the cows come home. So not a lot you can do except give up and go into Rumble. I'm going to go into my content, and you'll see here that there is this test that was set up for Rumble. What we must do is delete, confirm. Takes a little while. It may well hang. Alright, no, it didn't. That's good. Now, if we go on to live streaming, you can see that there's live streams. Yeah, it's not there. So, the one that we set up just now, which didn't work, is now not here. So, what we need to do now is go into YouTube and delete the erroneous live stream. So we're in the studio. So there's our test. As you can see, it comes in here, monetization off, and various other things which are not functioning. We need to actually delete it. There we go. So now we can go into the software which I use, which is called Compress PNG. Well, we just find that it's Compress PNG. Gives you this screen. It's free of charge. I think there is a limit that you can do in a day. So essentially what you do is you drag your file that was 2 meg or over. It likes to be less than that. And of course now it's 71% less than that. And then of course you can download it. We've already done that, so I don't need to do that. Okay, so that's how you compress it. If your thumbnail is too big. So you need to check that. There we are, no stream yet. So we're going to schedule a stream. We'll do a test one again. So we'll add our thumbnail, and this time we're going to add the minimized version. There's Rumble Studio thingy, and of course this one here. We have test 1 2 3, test 1 2 1 2 3. We want it on YouTube. Entertainment, we're going to pick a time, it doesn't really matter. 12 o'clock, that'll do. Okay, so now, next button, and what will happen, it will go here, which is our stream, ready to go. As I say, the stream appears at the top. We're streaming to Rumble and YouTube, and all you do then is go into your studio, into the studio, and then you can broadcast your live stream. So we have to go back into Rumble. So we're back into Rumble, and of course we need to refresh the page. And here is our test we just set up in the studio. Now if you were using OBS, you can use the URL and the stream key. Now because it's waiting for the stream, we're going to end it we don't want it, even though we have set this up. And of course, it's still there in the list. That's very, very annoying, but not to worry, because we can go into the videos and we can delete. Again, waiting for this to delete. Waiting for it to delete. Delete. It takes a little while. Very, very slow, and it's gone. Right. So live streaming, we just checked that we haven't got any. No current ones, that's good. Okay, so we're in YouTube and we do a quick refresh, F5. It should appear here, there we are. So obviously, if you were going to do a live stream, then you'd have to amend all of this. So save that. Go into your live stream and you can see you have your title, description, the scheduled time, you've got your thumbnail, you've got to obviously put it into a playlist if you want to. All the other stuff here that you can set, the obviously the altered content thing. Now you'll need to copy over your tags from wherever, and then of course the stream date and the location, and then you save it. One more thing that I do, customization, and then I say live chat replay. Why it can't do that for you, I don't know. It hasn't got this ticked either, which is unusual. I've not noticed that before. But there you go. Right, so that is your live stream. Obviously then you can do your subtitles, your end screen and all of that. So now what you would do is live stream and it will go out to this file here, which is set up for you. But what we're going to do, we don't need it. We're going to delete it. So I finished that, and then I went back into the Rumble Studio and I noticed that the stream is still there on top of the list. Now, I don't know why, because I've deleted it. Press F5, it's still there. Still there. Don't know why it's still there. Because I have actually removed it from Rumble. Don't forget, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, etc. And I'm going to be doing a whole new series on Rumble Studio. Because I like it. I think it's very good. I think it has a few things that need to be amended and improved. But overall, it's a pretty good program application. And the biggest thing is it's free. So there you go. Have a good day. Catch you next time. Bye for now. Oh, hello. Sorry to interrupt the video. Just to say that if you're interested in and keen to watch new episodes before they come out, the best way to do that is become a Patreon, and you can do that very simply. Just go to patreon.com/Andy Wright Online and sign up for a monthly donation, which can be as small as $5, which is hardly anything. If you think about it, you can probably get a cup of Costa coffee if you're lucky. But $5 a month will allow you access to all of the videos that I'm going to be bringing out in the next few months, and you will get them at least a week early, so you can entertain yourself with the new episodes. Sorry to bother you, but now back to the video.